And you're going to find that sometimes the same questions come up again and again and again. Now, other places you can go to find out what people are having problems with is Kindle books. Kindle books are a brilliant research tool. Now, what I mean by that is I don't mean you need to buy loads of Kindle books. What you should do is, again, going on your passion, just go over to the Kindle store, type in the kind of topic you are hoping to build your business around, and see what books come up. Now, what I would do is I'd have a look at maybe the top 10 books in that niche that you're looking at. And then what you'll find is if you click on each book, you will find if you hover sometimes over the book cover, or sometimes it might actually be a link below it, you can click on the book and read the first page or two. And you will find sometimes you can actually get into the table of contents of the book. Now, the reason of finding the table of contents in a book is really powerful, because you're going to find that the person who is selling this book, that's a bestseller because of its top of the category, you can be guaranteed the topics that they are talking about in that book are pain points. They're helping their reader with problems. Whatever problem they have, that book is based on that. So go through maybe the top 10, the top 20 books, have a look at the table of contents. And again, as you go through the names of the chapters, you're going to find topics coming up again and again and again. Now, that doesn't mean that you need to write a book on all that stuff. Even just taking one topic out of a book,